Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about sketches in Fusion 360 and some of the basic features for a sketch. So we'll just jump over real quick and alright, so we're in our build space. You can see the very first feature they have is create sketch. We're going to click on that and you can see that there are 3 planes you can choose. These are your origin planes. Doesn't matter which one you choose. I'm just going to click on this front one. And now what we have is our sketch view. What we're going to be covering are lines, rectangles, circles, as well as how these all work will also be the same for arches, polygons, ellipses, slots, and conic curves. Functionally, they all work the same way. As you can see with these icons, they're these little blue dots. They represent clicks. And so for an example, we'll click on this rectangle, and we're going to start in the origin. Always start in the origin. Please. It'll make your life so much easier. So we're going to click there and we're going to click out here. As you can see, these have measurements. If you want to, you can type in the measurements right away. For this case, I'm just not going to. And then for this next one, I'm going to actually do just that. So we'll put 2.5, tab, 2.5, enter. And as you can see, I've created these 2 rectangles. They're a little bit different. This one has 4 white lines, this one has 2 white lines and 2 blue lines. The lines may be black if you have a lighter background such as white. I don't. I personally have changed mine to gray. And this is significant because it's saying that this shape has been restrained. So if I try grabbing on this corner and moving around, it won't do anything, but on this one it will. And so that's actually very important that you do have restrained sketches, so later on if you need to edit anything, it's a lot easier to edit. I can double click on this measurement, I could change it to 3, and voila, it changes it. So we're going to go back real quick. Some other things to mention if you go down, some of these features in here, these alternative rectangles and circles and arches, I really like using a lot, such as 3-point arch. So I'm going to actually change that and put that on my toolbar. I like having it there. And I can click on it and then drag it to somewhere else. I'm going to put it right next to the circle. I think it's a little bit more appropriate. So that's something else you can edit up here of what you like to use if it's something you use frequently. The last thing, lines are the only one that's a little unique from all of these shapes. So we'll click on it. And like a normal line, you just click and you click. Pretty straightforward. However, if you click and you hold and then you drag it, you will create arches. Which is a cool feature. Some people really like it. I don't use it personally, but I have some friends that really love using it all the time. And then you have this little tail all of a sudden. You're still using the line feature. Let's say you wanted to finish. You can click escape. You can click this little check mark. You can click on any other feature. Or if you're closing a shape completely, you'll get out of it. But you can also see you've created this closed shape. And once you've done that, let's say you're done, you don't want to do anything else for this part of the thing you're modeling, we can now click Finish Sketch, and it will take us back to our home, and you can see we're back in the solids where we have all of these other features. And that wraps it up. That's the quick run through of some really simple, basic sketch features, and I hope that was really helpful. Please leave a comment, any comments down the bottom for things you'd like to see. And again, if you are liking these videos, please subscribe so I can keep doing these and be able to help out more people. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.